Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today I have taken a question in which it is given that GH is a tangent to the circle with center O at point E. Angle DEH is 32 degree. Angle BEC is 56 degree. Then find angle DEC, angle EBC and angle EFB. So let's solve this question. Angle DEC plus angle BEC is equal to 90 degree. As we know that BD is passing through center, so it is a diameter. So angle in semicircle is 90 degree. Now angle DEC plus 56 is equal to 90 degree. As BEC is 56, so DEC is equal to 90 minus 56. That will give DEC is equal to 34 degree. Now angle EBC is equal to angle CEH by alternate segment theorem. So CEH is sum of two angles, this angle plus this angle. This angle is 34. So angle EBC is equal to 34 plus 32 degree, which will give EBC is equal to 66 degree. So this angle is 66 degree. Now in triangle BEC, angle BEC plus angle BCE plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Angle BEC is 56. Angle BCE plus angle CBE is 66 is equal to 180 degree. So angle BCE is equal to 180 minus 56 minus 66, which will give angle BCE is equal to 58 degree. So this is 58 degree. Now ECBF is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this angle plus this angle, that is angle C plus angle F, is equal to 180 degree. Sum of opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral, and C is 58 plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. So angle F is equal to 180 minus 58, that will give F is equal to 122 degree. So this is 122 degree. Angle DEC is 34 degree. Angle EBC is 66 degree and angle EFB is 122 degree. So this is the answer for the question. Hope you understood all these steps. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.